All right, hello once again, Jeff Scott from Jeff Teaches Programming, and we are in the middle of converting our payroll program to an EFCore application. In the last thing I was working on here, I went back to the PeaceWorkerEmployee.cs that was under our models and realized this had said originally int. It should have said decimal. So I'm going to say File, Save All, and I don't know if I have to update the database or not. This is not a migration, so I am going to try to come in here and just do this and see if it fixes the problem. So I'm going to go Tools, NuGet Package Manager, NuGet Package Manager, Package Manager Console, and I'm just going to say Update Database. All right, it says that succeeded, which is always a good sign. Waiting for my prompt to come back. There we go. No bug migrations were applied. Okay, the database is already up to date. Well, we'll find out in just a minute. All right, because I want to go back now to here, and I want to do a File, Save All, and get rid of this, and go back to here. Remove this. And this, and this, and this. And you can see the error is now gone. All right, so now what should be left only is the delete routine. And we're going to do that one right now. There is the delete routine. Let's make some changes in here to try to make it easier for us, okay? So this is DGV piece. And this will be the same. This will be piece worker employees, I believe. Trying to see if I'm missing anything here. It's just in the delete. So delete an existing record. Piece worker. Delete the record. Sounds good. All right, so this will be piece worker employees. And this should be load piece worker, I believe. So let's see if by making those changes, if I broke anything or if it all works or whatever. I'm looking for, hopefully for no errors. I don't see anything. So let's do this. Let's do a File, Save All, and let's run it, and let's see if we can add a record to our piece workers and then do some modifications. Okay, so there it is. It's empty as it should be. All right, let's say that they made 100 pieces and each piece was worth 85 cents. Calculate. Well, that's not a good start, is it? Oh, it did calculate it. I'm sorry, it's right there. So can we add the record? No. Unable to cast object of system int 32 to type system decimal. Well, we know what that problem is. All right. And that problem is in here. In fact, I'm going to save a copy of the error in case I need to go back and look at it. Well, there's that. So let's close this and take a look. Piece worker employees. Well, the error it's giving us system 32 to type decimal. Okay. It's saying that something in here is still set up as an integer. And what that means is there's more than one place where this is incorrect. Probably that's what it means. See, I changed that, decimal price per piece, but somewhere else in here, the price per piece is set up incorrectly. That's a decimal. Just looked at that, that's a decimal. So there's our file, decimal. That's price per piece. Validation at both. Price per piece. You know what? We are not checking right there. Int pieces, integer input, decimal, decimal. Here we're actually doing it the right way. I don't know why I combined those as I did earlier, but this is much better, to be honest with you. I guess that's another thing I'll probably have to change. So let's check in here. Nothing in there. Worked. Price per piece, 8.2. Not sure why that would be giving me an error, to be honest with you. Okay, I'm going to try to track it down. Let me pause and see if I can track it down. I'll be hopefully right back. Because hopefully, like I said, that'll be what's left to do here. Okay, I believe that the error is being shown to me. All right, and the problem is when I ran the NuGet Package Manager, I did an update database. All right, and it succeeded. But I think I got to do more than that. I think I have to add a migration. So add migration, fix frmPiece error. And then I think I've got to run update database again. So update database. It's letting me know that there could be a problem with it. There really and truly shouldn't be. All right, so I've just showed you too how to add a migration, I guess. Come on, why aren't you letting me? There we go. All right. So it should have done this, price per piece. It's showing me what changed, I think. So let's get rid of that. Okay. And should be able to get rid of that. Should be able to get rid of that. All right, let's see if we've got a winner here. All right. So we're going into Piece Worker. And there's the one I just added. Oh, price per piece and gross pay didn't work, so let's try that one again. In fact, let's see if we can fix this. How's that? So let's go in and let's change the price per piece to $1. See if we can update it. Price pieces made cannot be empty. Okay. Okay. So we had in there 100. See if we can update. And it let us. See if we can make another update. Let's change this to 50. And let's change that to 0.25, which should be 1250, I believe. And it is. Let's add one more record. You know, if we do put in this 500, for example, and we calculate, we're still getting our errors. Okay, so let's put in here 100 and 25. We'll add that record. There it is. All right, and now let's see if we can delete it. Are we sure we want to delete it? No, it stays. Are we sure we want to delete it? Yes, and it's gone. Notice that the ID is percolating, so to speak. So it's 4 and 5 because I had 1, 2, and 3 in the hourly. So all the employees have an ID, but I don't have a separate ID for each employee type. That's the way I set it up on purpose. All right, so let's return. So we've now finished the hourly and we finished the piece worker. So the next one in here is commission. So again, if we say the person is making 10% commission and they made $10,000, let's say. All right, and we click calculate. It should show they made $1,000. We have nothing in yet for add a record, update a record, or delete a record. We'll do that one next. And when we get done, we will do the last one, which is our salaried. Okay. I don't know how many more videos this is going to take. I'm hoping I'll be able to finish it tonight. We'll see. All right. So let me stop right here. Even though it's a short video, I'll be back shortly.